Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English में जिद्दी. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm gonna share with you how to think in English. Okay, so please watch my video, and whenever if you watch my video, so definitely it is very helpful for you. So don't skip my video if you want to improve your English. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Friends, if you friends, I want to share some tips. Okay, I have my first tips. If you want to improve your skill, okay, if you want to improve your English, so firstly you have to think your mother tongue. Okay, you have to think your mother tongue. For example, if you have your mother tongue, Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, etc. Okay, so you have to think, firstly you have to think your mother tongue. Okay, for example, if you have your mother tongue Hindi, okay, so you have to think Hindi to English. You have to make sentence in your mind. You have to make sentence in your mind. Lot of you have to make sentence. Okay, for example, when for example I get up 6 o'clock early in the morning, then what do? You have to think in English. Okay, I have to do work, and I have to go to walking, I have to go to college, and that time I have to do any work because it is Saturday today. I have to do some work. You have to think in Hindi to English. Okay, if you are beginner, okay, so if you are beginner, so firstly you have to think Hindi, then English. Okay, if you are beginner, so you have to think Hindi to English. Then whenever your English is very good, okay, that time you have to think only English. But if you want to think only English, so you have to do lot of practice. Okay, without practice you can't think English. Okay, so firstly if you are beginner, so you have to think Hindi to English. You have to mix on sentence in your mind, short sentence. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे मुझे स्कूल जाना है, आई हैव टू गो. मुझे मार्केट जाना है, आई हैव टू गो. मैं खाना बनाऊंगी, आई विल मेक फूड. मुझे होमवर्क करना है, आई हैव टू डू होमवर्क. यू हैव टू मेक सेंटेंस इन योर माइंड. ओके, एंड definitely if you will make sentence daily, if you will make sentence continue, so definitely you can improve your English. Okay, you have to thought, you have to make story in your mind. Okay, and again you have to thought again and again continue. You have to thought Hindi to English, Hindi to English, so definitely you can improve your English. Okay, and for example, you are going to Jaipur. Okay, this time you shall, oh my god, there is very crowd, there is very crowd. I will not go to there because there is very crowd. But I am very hungry this time. I have to eat risol. But this market is not good. So definitely whenever I reach in Jaipur, so I have to I will have purchased risoles. Then I will eat resource. So you have to make short story in your mind. Okay, if you will make story in your mind continue, so definitely you can improve your English. You can improve your think skill. Okay, and my second point, my second point, you are thinking that what I think, what I think in English. Okay, you have to think, and whenever you are watching anything, okay, so you have to think in English. Oh, this is a bed sheet. Wow, this bed sheet color is very good. And which cost is bed sheet? You have to think in English. Okay, and if you are watching park, you have to think, oh my god, this is a very beautiful park, and I never watched. This is a beautiful park, there are a lot of animal. Okay, and wow, you watch this girl. This girl is very pretty, and his dress is very nice, and really it is very beautiful. You have to think lot of, okay. If you will thought lot of, so definitely you can improve your speaking skill, and you can improve your mind skills, okay. So you have to think lot of, and you have to make story. And my third point, um, you have to thought. For example, you have to think present, past, future, okay. For example, today I have, for example, present, today I have do work, I have to make food, and I have to do study. My English is not good, so I want to improve my English. So if you want to improve my English, so I will have to watch any video. But I watch a lot of video, but I couldn't speak fluently English. So how can I improve English? Okay. And when I will be improve my English, then I have to do job. So you have to think in present, okay. And then you have to thought in past, future. You have to think future. For example, mm it is Monday today, I have to go to market because I have to purchase some books, because there is no book in my home. I want to speak fluently English, but there is no book. So I am thinking that can I purchase speaking book, but I don't understand which book is very good and which book is helpful for me. So you have to think English, okay. So definitely if you will think firstly Hindi to English, so you can improve English, okay. And you have 24 hours a day, okay. You have 24 hours a day. Whenever you do any work, okay, that time you have to think English, okay. You can improve your mind. You can develop in thought mind, okay. And whenever you will go to bed for sleep, that time you have to think today I do some work, and then I do etc. You have to think lot of, okay. You have to practice again and again if you want to improve your English, and if you want to develop your speaking skills. So you have to think lot of, okay. So think. But if you are beginner, okay, but you are thinking that if I translate, if I will do Hindi to English translate, so can I improve English without thought? No, this is wrong. Without think, you cannot improve English. So if you want to improve your English, so you have to think lot of Hindi to English, Marathi to English, okay, Telugu to English. If you are hungry, and if you have dream, whatever happened, I have to improve my speaking skills, I have to improve my English. So you have to think, okay. And you have to think lot of, so definitely you can improve your English. So uh, okay, that's all about me. If you like my video, so please like, subscribe and share me, because I want to speak fluently English. That's why I'm making videos. So please support me, okay. Thank you.